Did you know that a single cup of tea almost destroyed the British Empire? In 1773, American colonists were furious about tea taxes, but King George refused to back down. He thought these rebels would never dare challenge the mighty British crown. On a cold December night in Boston, angry colonists disguised themselves as Native Americans. They snuck onto 3 British ships loaded with expensive tea, then they dumped over 300 chests of tea into the harbor. The water turned brown for miles. King George was outraged. He punished all of Boston with harsh new laws. But this backfired completely. Instead of crushing the rebellion, it united all 13 colonies against Britain. Other cities started their own tea protests. Revolutionary spirit spread like wildfire. Within 3 years, these tea protesters had declared independence and started a war that would create America. The British Empire lost its most valuable colonies, all because they refused to compromise on a simple tea tax. Sometimes the smallest sparks create the biggest explosions in history.